it's Betsy from the Flourishing place where we talk about all things cleaning, decluttering, organizing, and homekeeping. And today we are talking about how to make over your home for free. My name is Betsy. I have a wonderful husband and two small kids, and this is something that I am really excited about. I am going to give you 4 tips on how to make over your home for free. And I really do mean for free. I'm not like, oh, for 200 bucks here, 100 bucks here, 50 bucks there. Really and truly for free.
No way.
Now, I want you to hang with me because the first couple tips that I give you, you're gonna go, oh yeah, I know, whatever. That's not gonna make that big of a difference. But let me tell you, it really does. And it is so fun because oftentimes it's easier to just go to the store, pick something up. It's easier to just grab something, pay the money. But there's a lot of creativity involved when we talk about making over your home for free. So let's get right into it. Tip number 1 is to declutter. Okay, now don't click away from the video. Like I said, these first couple of tips are not going to seem that exciting, but they can make a huge difference. When you declutter your home, in my opinion, it's like treating your home like a diamond in the rough. Like you've gotten so used to living there, things have piled up, you just walk by stacks of stuff, at least I do, and you just don't even think about it anymore. It's just kind of part of the environment. But when you intentionally declutter in your home, you are removing everything that is superfluous, everything that you no longer need, everything that will make space for you to truly get creative in your home. And so the first step, and I think the most important step in making over your home for free, is to get ruthless about decluttering. Tip number 2 is to clean. Now again, hang with me. Cleaning does not sound super exciting or sexy or glamorous. Maybe for some of you it's exciting. For me it is not. I do not enjoy cleaning. But cleaning has such a huge impact on your home. And so once you've decluttered, because I firmly believe, obviously, decluttering first is the most important step before you clean. So once you've decluttered, cleaning your home, and I'm talking about things not just like vacuum the carpet or wash the windows, although those things are great, but I'm also talking about things like use a magic eraser to get the scuffs off your baseboards, or really deep clean the faces of your kitchen cabinets, things like that. Kind of shining up your house, making it sparkle a little bit. Number 1, change your attitude toward your home. And number 2, really get you excited and help you to see your home with fresh eyes. So tip number 1 is declutter, tip number 2 is clean. Now we get into some of the fun stuff. Tip number 3 is to rearrange your furniture. This is something that sounds so basic and you think, well, duh. But really, oftentimes, I know I have sold myself so many times on the lie that I have to buy something new in order to freshen a room. I have to buy a new piece of furniture. I have to buy, these chairs have to be matching, or this has to be, X, Y, and Z. And the truth is that you don't always have to do that. In fact, you often don't have to do that. It can be amazing just to rearrange the furniture in a room, or to swap out, there's a piece of furniture in one room and it would go better in a different room, or you try it in a different room. Just try stuff and see what works. Rearranging furniture costs nothing. And oftentimes you will find that, kind of like cleaning and shining up your home, it can give you a fresh perspective on a room. You can see things differently. When things just stay the same and you're kind of in the same old ruts, it's hard to see how things could be different. But when you start working with what you have and figuring out, oh, maybe I could move this here, or maybe I could hang this on the wall, and things like that, it really starts to change your perspective. And so tip number 3, rearrange your furniture. This can just be so fun and so satisfying. Tip number 4 is to join a Buy Nothing group in your area. Now, Buy Nothing, these are groups that are on Facebook, and you can usually find one in your local area if you're in a town or a city. Now, some areas obviously don't have them, but you can look around and might be able to find something similar. Different neighborhood groups, like neighborhood apps and things, or free cycle kinds of things where people are wanting to get rid of something, but they're not selling it and it's for free. But Buy Nothing is probably one of the most common ways to do this, to join a group, and people are putting things on there to gift for free to others in their community. And so this is just amazing. And you can find such treasures in these groups. You can find pieces of furniture. You can find artwork. We found a beautiful piece of artwork that somebody was gifting in our Buy Nothing group, and I love it. I hung it on the wall in our office. It's so beautiful. And Again, completely free. And also, it is hugely satisfying to be able to gift to other people in the group when you are ready to pass something on. It can be amazing when something is no longer of use to you, it's something your kids have outgrown or something that you no longer need, and there's someone in your group and you gift it to them and they say, "Oh, thank you so much. I have been wanting one of these. I have been needing one of these so badly." It's amazing. And you have that feeling of, wow, I'm really able to not just drop this off at some random donation center, but I'm able to actually directly give it to one of my neighbors, so to speak. I put that in quotes, but it is your neighbors. It's the people in your community, and they can use it and it can have new life. So that is super cool. These 4 tips will get you on the road towards giving your home a makeover for free. And it doesn't just stop there. There are oftentimes things we have stored away in a storage closet, in a basement, in a garage, like paint, things like that, where we can paint a piece of furniture or we can make our own artwork for the wall. Look around the stuff in your house and start getting creative on things you can make, things you can repurpose or refashion to kind of do what you're looking to do. Please comment below if there are other tips that you've heard about or tips that you've used on how to make over your home for free. I would love to hear them, and I know they would be helpful to other people as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.